Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume of this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here click on the sound section. Now just tap to the volume, and here we will see the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, you should swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side. And also we can do it by the second way. Just be sure for this here in volume button control you got turned off the switcher to use your volume buttons here to change the ringtone, not the media. And now just by press up or down volume button we can see that we can change the ringtone volume of our device. And also we can do it by the third way, just manually with our finger slide down or up this volume panel to change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.